we have our ingredients, we'll head to the kitchen to start cooking.
To boil 2 cups of milk to rid the milk of all the bacteria. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Perfect!
We are now bringing the milk to a boil, which, as Molly said before, will kill all the harmful bacteria.
Added 4 tablespoons of vinegar to the milk so that curds would form. Curds form when we add vinegar because milk is filled with negatively charged micelles that contain the casein protein. Since they're all negatively charged, they repel each other in milk. But the addition of an acid, such as vinegar, breaks up these micelles and allows the casein protein to clump together, forming curds.
We are now separating the curds in the whey using a cheesecloth and a colander. Depending on the flavor and type of cheese you want, you can decide how much whey to leave in the cheese. In order to make hard cheeses like cheddar, the cheese would then be cooked in order to further expel the whey. This process is known as syrenesis.
Now we are left with our curds and our whey. We're going to add some salt to get a little flavor in our cheese.
Now we are putting the cheese into a mold to prepare it for aging. Aging the cheese longer adds more flavor. This is because the longer the cheese is sitting, the more the casein proteins break down. First, they break down from proteins into peptides, and then from peptides into amino acids. The smaller the particles of the original casein proteins, the more flavorful the cheese. We're putting our cheese into the refrigerator.
Now that our refrigeration is over, we look to retrieve our cheese. Uh-oh, Clarissa. Seems we've lost our cheese in the wilderness.
Giving away our first free sample.
Okay, have a glass of wine. Just eat.